Hello, this is Kyle from Silly Rabbit Motorsport with a quick video to show you the steps to complete a DS2 data log using the Dyno Spectrum DS2 logging program. From within the Dyno Spectrum browser app, I'm going to click on the File tab. I'm going to find ds2.zip. We're going to click the download link right next to that. What that's going to do is download the compressed archive to the computer, which we'll go ahead and click here to open. And then we're going to extract all to a place where we can find it later. So I'm going to go ahead on the desktop, make a new folder called DS2, and that's where I'm going to save it. Make sure that Show Extracted Files when complete is clicked to save us a step. Once this pops up, all I'm going to do is double-click the ds2 headless.bat file. The first time I run this, it's going to pop up with this screen, basically asking me if I'm sure I want to run this program because it comes from an unknown publisher. This comes from Dyno Spectrum and is safe to run, so I'm going to click Run. And then this black window will pop up, and after a moment, I'll see the message at the bottom that says Logging without Dyno Spectrum DS2 Log Viewer. This is now saving a data log to the hard drive, and I can begin to drive the car, just like the tuner has instructed me to drive it. After that, I'm going to pull over to the side of the road into a safe position and stop the car, and then I'm going to reach over and simply click the X on this window that popped up. You'll notice each time that you do this process, it's going to spit out a log file with a CSV extension that also has a date and timestamp in the file name, so you can verify it's the right one you just did. All you have to do is attach this data log back to your custom tuner, and they'll be able to continue with the tuning process.